Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best 240mm CPU coolers on the market. The Thermalright Frozen Notte 240 Black ARGB water cooling CPU cooler. This cooler stands out not just for its performance but also for its stunning design and innovative features. If you're looking for something that offers both cooling power and aesthetics, this could very well be the product for you. Let's start with the basics. The Thermalright Frozen Notte 240 Black comes equipped with a 240mm radiator, which is an ideal size for most gaming and workstation builds. It fits comfortably in many mid- and full-sized ATX cases. The unit features double PWM fans with SFDBV2 bearings, which provide a quiet yet efficient cooling solution. These fans can run up to 2000 RPM, delivering airflow up to 72.37 CFM while keeping noise levels under 28 dBA. This means you can push your CPU without worrying about excessive noise, all while keeping temperatures low. The heart of this cooler is its water block, which has a full copper mirror finish that helps with heat dissipation. It's designed to create low resistance for improved cooling performance. The cold plate is constructed with black aluminum, and it uses a high-quality polymer woven protective water pipe, all adding up to a longer lifespan and better performance. This cooler also comes with a high-performance cold head, designed to withstand the test of time with a life expectancy of up to 40,000 hours. A standout feature of the Thermalright Frozen Notte 240 Black is its ARGB lighting. The cooler's fans and water block feature synchronized lighting that connects through a 5V 3-pin connection on the motherboard. You can customize the lighting effects, creating a dazzling light show that matches your build's aesthetic. The lighting can be linked together, so even if your motherboard has limited ARGB headers, you won't have to worry about running out of slots. When it comes to compatibility, this cooler does not disappoint. It supports a wide range of Intel and AMD sockets, including Intel's LGA 1700, 1200, and 1150 series, as well as AMD's AM4 and AM5. The included metal black buckle ensures easy installation, and the cooler is designed to fit into cases that have at least 250mm of space for the radiator. Now, performance. The Frozen Notte 240 Black excels at keeping your CPU temperatures under control, even during intense gaming or rendering tasks. With its efficient cooling design and quiet operation, this cooler offers excellent thermal management without compromising on performance. The included PWM functionality means the fan speeds automatically adjust based on CPU temperature, providing the right amount of cooling when you need it most. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a high-performance workstation, the Thermalright Frozen Notte 240 Black ARGB water cooling CPU cooler offers everything you need in a 240mm AIO cooler. From its top-notch cooling capabilities and quiet operation to its customizable lighting and easy installation, it's a solid choice for any enthusiast. If you're looking for a balance of performance and style, this cooler is one of the best in its class. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products.